All right, what's up, everybody? This is Tanner from mytradingschool.com and the School of Trading. And another month in the books with our students. It was a really good month. It was a month that we had a good amount of trades, a little slower because the summer months starting, volume tends to dry up. So we really focused on the educational aspect of it and added a lot of new videos to our elite members video library. But I wanted to review some of the trades we did make from our watch list service, our daily and weekly watch list service. So if you go onto mytradingschool.com, you can look down here and we have this quick kind of snapshot of some of the trades we made. We'll start with EXEL. This was a very basic pattern that we look for and teach in our trading course and in our elite members service. We'll go over it real quick. So EXEL. I'll kind of show you exactly what we were seeing and what we looked for with this trade. So with EXEL, we noticed a very basic ascending support line occurring, okay? Very basic ascending support line occurring. On the top side, we also had an ascending resistance line occurring there as well. So what it formed was an ascending channel, okay? Price dropped, bounced, set a higher high, set a higher low, another higher high, higher low, and so on and so forth. So we alerted this one. We went over this one in depth on our watch list service. We put profit targets, we put stop losses. We showed exactly what needed to happen with the indicators, and a lot of our students entered it and saw a pretty nice win as this one reversed off the bottom ascending support line and headed towards that top channel resistance line. So with this one, over $2,000. A lot of our students, smaller accounts, had $100, $200 wins. That's perfectly fine. Those $100 and $200 wins add up over time. Okay, majority of us have been there. I was there. You just have to stay patient and let those small wins add up over the long haul. We also had RIGL, which was a nice bottom reversal play from the 340 range to 377. KGC, great play from 220s to the 240s. HOTR, 280s to 315. MBG, APPS. Let's show you APPS real quick here. We teach a lot, and I really harp on in our videos, protecting your downside risk. That's the most important thing when you enter a trade. You need to know your stop loss, and you need to protect your downside risk. With APPS, we watched it as it pulled back from this $4 range, came down, was right down near that 307 support line, and bounced off $3. A lot of students entered this one in the 310, 315 range. As it moved up, we continued to review it in our watch list, and I had told our students a very basic thing. As this one moves up, move your stop loss up with it. Use a trailing stop. As it breaks 345, move your stop loss up to 340. And that's exactly what everyone did. Broke 345, went up to 349, saw a quick drop, and everyone stopped out at 340 for a solid win. So even though this one saw a big drop below our entry point, we still got a solid win because we moved our stop loss up with it. So that was APPS, another good win for many of our students. ASPU, one of the losing trades. Let's go over that. We're going to have losing trades. That's the reality of trading. The most important thing is to keep the losses small and move on and don't let them affect you mentally and emotionally. With APPS, we were watching it here. Let me show you. Let me go to annotate real fast. We were watching APPS as a potential reversal down in the 17 range for a playback up towards the 20, okay, towards that 200 moving average. It did come down and saw multiple bounces. A few of our students grabbed it. Was a little lower volume, so they couldn't go in very big, but eventually it never really saw our profit target of that 20. It did pull back, so we stopped out of this one very quickly for a very small loss. Again, we had recommended people go in incredibly small capital-wise with this one because the volume is so low. Okay, today it only saw $27,000 or 27 shares in volume for ASPU. So that's one of the losers we had for the month of June. NAK, another bottom reversal play that we played multiple times from the 30s towards 37, which was our profit target. So a great win there. That one, a lot of students, $100 win, $200 win, and those will add up over time. So that's a quick kind of snapshot of the trades that we had from the month of June. Again, this isn't all the trades we have on our watch list. Our watch list is going to give you usually 3 to 5 trades a night. And what we do is we sift through them. We set a specific buy area. We show you what needs to happen with regards to indicators and potential breakouts. We show you where a stop loss should be placed and where your profit target should be. These are the trades that met that specific criteria and were signals to enter, okay? Not a whole lot. Would have liked to have more, but as summer comes around, volume tends to dry up. So what we do is we really focus on the educational aspect. And we added a good amount of new videos to our elite members video library. So, when summer comes around, trading dries up, it's always great to go back to that education, review things, learn new things. We added a video on cup and handles, inverted head and shoulders. We built upon what we teach in our trading course with regard to candlesticks, and we went over more bullish candle formations. We're doing a mini series on bullish candle formations. We're adding one on bearish candle formations as well. We'll be adding a video on shorting stocks. So really we're just getting our students to where, whether the market's going up, down, no matter what, they'll be able to apply very basic, very simple techniques and profit no matter the market conditions. That's the goal in the long run, is if you see a market pullback, which we've kind of top-sided out a little bit here, you can have the ability to be able to short stocks and see profit as the market pulls back. So no matter which direction, you can find profit. So that's a quick glimpse of the month of June. Again, if you're interested in joining our elite plan or getting our trading course, just visit mytradingschool.com. We have all of our plans laid out for you on the very first page. Go all the way down to the bottom. So we have our elite plan month to month. You can just one-time trading course fee, then it's yours for life, and you can pay month to month and cancel at any point. We have our elite plan biannual discount. You get a larger watch list discount and you get the trading course for cheaper. Our annual discount, again, an additional, a 50% watch list discount and more off our trading course. We also have our elite plan lifetime membership. You pay a one-time fee and you have access to everything for life. So that means as we grow as a service, as we add, a chat room, things like that, which we are doing, you have access to it. You don't have to pay a dime more. And then you can get our elite plan without our trading course, basic monthly fee that you can cancel at any point, and you can just get our trading course as well. So if you're interested, check it out, mytradingschool.com. If you have any questions at all, shoot me an email, tannerstrading@gmail.com. Even if you're not one of our students, go ahead, shoot me an email. If you have questions about some symbols, you want to go over some different potential trades, shoot me that email. I'll walk you through some of the stuff. If you want to go over a little more of what our service offers or maybe have some more additional questions, don't hesitate to ask. You can post them in the comments as well, and I'll make sure to respond to you as quickly as possible. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and have a great day.